So, what is equality? I'm coming to the end of my talk here, and I want to leave some of my thoughts with you. This is not something I ask you necessarily to consider, to agree with, but I just want you to think about it. Many people think of equality as being a principle, like a rock in a sea of changing truths. But I think of equality as being an approach. This is the recognition that a diverse community requires a flexible approach, that uniform love and respect can manifest itself in as many ways as there are people to be loved and respected. This is about providing the opportunities and refusing to judge on the outcomes, while every outcome opens up a new opportunity and every opportunity creates a way to get to a different outcome. It's nothing without fairness and justice, with the reasons behind different outcomes being based on fair and just reasons. And it's nothing without freedom, without people being able to make their own choices. We should stop thinking of equality as being a measurement of isolated events. Equality is wider than that. This isn't about the 100 metres race, nor the three-legged race, nor the egg and spoon race, but about seeing all of these races together as one sporting event. Discrimination is when you concentrate on one thing, you ignore the others. So when we talk about equality, let's recognise the wider context. Let's recognise the broad and compound nature of life. The fact that change comes slowly is not a problem. We're at the start of an avalanche, when only the small stones are falling. We must put all of our effort into ensuring that the boulders come in the generations after ours. We must also make sure that we do not abuse our own privilege. When we get towards equality, when we work towards a more equal society, we must recognise everyone. Nobody owns the meaning of the word equality. The beauty of language is such that different views and different values colour and deepen the meaning of words. To talk about how and why we differ can be the start of a respectful conversation. But to try to get someone else to leave their carefully considered, carefully thought out view to come to yours can be a misuse of power. So I've left you with some of my thoughts, but I haven't finished thinking. I'm not done thinking. I have more questions than answers, and I am in that state of carefully considered uncertainty, which for me lies at the heart of being and opens the doors of the spirit to knowledge, to exploration, and to faith. Thank you very much.